Today the destination is Santa Barbara and we're heading down Highway 1. And the purpose of this trip is to really understand, is this the ultimate road trip? If you could be a cow, you'd want to be one of those cows. This is amazing with that big ball of fire sitting down over the Pacific Ocean.
It's 5:30 in the morning. I have an early flight from Austin to San Francisco.
And at the airport, that was a massive line of people out there. I'm heading to a coffee shop recommended to me, aptly named Medici. Should be down this way. It's supposed to be the best coffee here at the airport. I skipped the Starbucks. Let's go get it.
Okay, please proceed to gate 12 boarding.
Hot, hot, hot. First impression, I can't taste much. They steam the milk too hot. Okay, this coffee just tastes burnt. That's all I taste. Not so good. I give it a 2 out of 10.
RZ1 World Alliance would like to thank you for flying with us today.
Made it to San Francisco. And today the destination is Santa Barbara and we're heading down Highway 1. My cousin is waiting for me just outside of baggage claim. I'm gonna get my bag and we're gonna go down the famous coastal route. I can't wait, gotta get going. Chris has programmed in the first coffee stop of our adventure, Kistler Coffee.
That's correct.
Rating, what would you give it? Chris got a drip coffee. I'm gonna give mine overall 7 out of 10. This is cool. I don't remember the last time I was at the Pacific Ocean. I think it might have been when I was in Asia, and here I am. Super happy. So this is Pacifica, and this is the Pacifica Pier, and this is one of the places you gotta stop along the route. Stop at all the little towns. Check them out. The lady's got a grill over there. She's flipping some hamburgers. And you get out there and you watch all these people pulling in the fish, just passing their day. Today's a Saturday, beautiful day. You can hear the waves crashing down below. But we got to get out of here because we got a lot of driving ahead of us. Look at these places here. Imagine how much these houses go for. Chris, any idea? Small little places, but you can imagine with the ocean side right there.
It's over $1 million.
$1 million bucks. Sam's Chowder House. So if you look it up and have time, hit Sam's Chowder House right outside of Pacifica. It's a popular spot. They just fill up bread with all this fresh crab meat that they pull in. Well worth it, but they look packed out. It's a Saturday we're doing this trip, so we're heading onwards. So we're heading to Cat and Cloud. Look at my hair. Cat and Cloud Coffee Shop. And Chris tells me they also have food there as well, so we're gonna get some more coffee, get a bite to eat. We're in Santa Cruz, and the purpose of this trip is to really understand, is this the ultimate road trip in the United States? Chris and I have been on a lot of different roads in the US, and I've done the Highway 1 experience before. He's never done the part south of Santa Cruz, and today we're gonna set out to find out if Highway 1 along the California coast is the ultimate road trip to take in the United States. You get the sounds of Harleys right there. Look at this Rosetta. We're gonna try it right away. Oh. Rating on this place, 9 out of 10. Quality, 10 out of 10. Ambience, 7 out of 10. Value, how much is the flat white? $4. Value, 9 out of 10. Great flat white. Look at this quinoa, avocado. This is so Californian. After all those Texas tacos, I need some health food. So the flight out of Austin was delayed and we got kind of a late start. Too many coffees. I don't think we're gonna get down to Santa Barbara before sunset. No. But that doesn't mean we're not gonna stop somewhere along the route and watch the sunset over the ocean. We will do that. We've had to make an executive decision to skip Carmel by the sea, which is kind of a shame, but you have to take in mind when you're doing this drive, especially in the winter months, the days are short, so the sun sets quickly. Had we stopped there, we would have been doing really the latter half of the drive in the dark. So the next destination is the Bixby Creek Bridge. Chris, watch the road. This is breathtaking in here. Just driving because you're going through all these trees right here, and Chris just pointed out, you just got a great feeling, and you do. This is California right here. cutting through the trees. You got the ocean off to your right. It's impressive. Oh, this is cool. Check it out. Anywhere, just random places here on the side of the road where you stop. We're now close to Bixby Creek Bridge, but just amazing views. This is Highway 1. We couldn't resist. Those rocks look so cool, and we're heading down there. I'm gonna put the drone up and get some cool shots, and then we're on to Bixby Bridge. We're going over Rocky Creek Bridge, but don't stop there if you're in a rush. Up at the next point, you'll see a sign for the Bixby Bridge lookout point, and that's where you wanna stop, and that's where you wanna take your Instagram photos. This is it. This is the famous Bixby Creek Bridge, and even for Saturday, there are not that many people here. When you stand here further back, you get a perfect Instagram photo. Chris, what do you think?
Amazing. I love
You never been out here?
it. No, first time.
So my cousin was born in California, moved out to Kansas as a young guy, and then moved back here to California, and he's never been down on this part of Highway 1. So get out here and do this. Until I get the phone charged, I can't fly the drone, so we're out here killing some precious time. On this bridge, this is the second most famous bridge in all of California, behind, you guessed it, the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. We're gonna see that in the upcoming days. This is the Bixby Bridge, the Bixby Creek Bridge. What's really cool, if you look off in the distance, there are some cows grazing on that precious, expensive land, that farmland. And they have $1 million view, waking up every morning with the sunrise, going to bed every night with the sunset, looking out over the Pacific Ocean. And if you could be a cow, you'd want to be one of those cows. It's truly a shame that we started this late. We're gonna be driving the latter half from Big Sur down to where we reach Highway 101 in the dark, unfortunately, but this is amazing with that big ball of fire sitting down over the Pacific Ocean, and we're driving southbound on Highway 1. This is a drive of a lifetime. This, I would say, one of the ultimate drives in the United States and must be done. We're gonna hit it again on Monday, but right now we're taking in this golden hour and it's truly memorable. Now we're entering the area of Big Sur and we're within the shadows of these huge pine trees. It is amazing, and they're shooting up vertically into the sky. There's some camping sites, a general store. You can camp out here and really make a day of it. Check out this cool little Shell gas station right there. Next stop 40 miles. So that's a bit of advice. Make sure your car has fuel or gas in it. Otherwise, along the road here in the national park, there's not many gas fueling options. Also for coffee, but we just got a tip off. Just down the road here, there's a coffee shop half-mile away in the restaurant Nepente. We're gonna get some Java. How's this for the location for the last coffee of the day? The coffee's okay, but the view, it's $1 million view. This is Nepente. It's been owned by the same family since 1947. And one of these places, if you get time, eat here, stop for some food, take in the sunset, because wow, wow, wow. Well, we made it to Santa Barbara. This is a place where I used to live. I lived here for about 4 years back in the day before I moved to Italy, so I'm happy to be back here. Unfortunately, a lot of that last part of the drive was in the dark. The good thing is we're driving north back up Highway 1 on Monday, so I'm gonna make another video about this magical drive in California, in the United States. Maybe the ultimate drive. Right now, though, I have a smoothie that's gonna power me through this edit that I gotta get ready to publish before tomorrow, because tomorrow is a big day out here on the town. Get a little of the beach action and everything else.